Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are gonna do a cute deer.
Perfect for the holidays.
And for Christmas and for Halloween.
Yes, it's actually great for any occasion. Our reference picture is gonna be picture from Pinterest by Natalie Starr. We are going to start with brown. It's gonna be above the eyes, and then cute little ears gonna go here. The little nose goes a little bit down. I see that my ears are a bit too close to each other, so I'm gonna go and take a little extra off here. We have to have a space between ears so we can put our antlers there. Next will be pink.
Pink for the ears.
Yes. I'm going to use the same pink for the cheeks.
Mama, actually this girl's name is Diarella.
Yeah.
Diarella. Yeah.
Very cute.
Diarella.
The next we're going to grab a smaller brush for the antlers. And we're gonna use some brown. Since this is the same brown that I have, I'm going to add a little black to make my brown darker. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3.
It looks like shadows.
1,
Because
2,
black, brownish.
3. Oh, adorable. Yes, it looks like shadows. Close your eyes, please. We're gonna put some fine glitter. It's a dry fine glitter that sticks to the wet paint. And we're gonna paint our nose. Oh, how adorable. Next, we'll grab a thin brush for the details, and we're gonna go around our ears and add some outline. And our antlers. How about we add some eyelashes? 1, 2, 3. We have white paint, round brush, and we are going to add the dots all the way to the nose. Oh, how cute! Do you like it? Our reindeer is ready. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and keep watching for more. Thanks.